Ever wondered how you can deep clean your entire house in just 45 minutes? Well, let's dive into that. In an era where time is a luxury, maintaining a clean and organized environment can seem like a Herculean task. But what if I told you there was a way to keep your home spotless without having to dedicate your entire day to it? Imagine a method so swift and efficient it leaves your living space looking like it's straight out of a lifestyle magazine in less than an hour. We're talking about a method that takes into account your busy schedule and still ensures a sparkling clean house. In today's world, a clean environment is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's also vital for our health and well-being. So, if you're looking to declutter, simplify, and deep clean your living space, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned if you want to find out how to transform your living space in under an hour. Before diving into the cleaning process, gather all the necessary supplies. Now, let's talk about the essential tools and products that you'll need to make your house sparkle like the top of the Chrysler building. First off, you'll need an all-purpose cleaner. This is your jack of all trades, your go-to guy, the Swiss Army knife of cleaning products, if you will. It's ready to tackle everything from grimy countertops to smudged windows. Next on the list is a good disinfectant. In these times, we all know how important it is to keep those pesky germs at bay. A disinfectant will help you do just that. It's like a bouncer at a club showing germs the door and making sure they don't come back. Don't forget your scrub brushes and microfiber cloths. These are like your personal cleaning army, ready to wage war on dirt and dust. Scrub brushes are great for those stubborn spots that refuse to come clean, while microfiber cloths are perfect for dusting and polishing. A vacuum cleaner is another must-have. It's like a superhero, swooping in to save your carpets and rugs from the evil clutches of dirt and debris. And don't forget to mop your trusty sidekick for clean, shiny floors. You'll also need a pair of durable gloves to protect your hands, and a caddy or bucket to keep your supplies organized. Think of the caddy as your tool belt, keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. Now, the importance of having everything ready before you start cleaning can't be overstated. It's like going on a road trip. You wouldn't set off without a map, snacks, and a killer playlist, would you? The same principle applies to cleaning. Having all your supplies ready means you can clean efficiently without wasting time hunting for that elusive bottle of window cleaner or duster. Remember, preparation is key. It's the secret sauce that will help you deep clean your entire house in 45 minutes flat. With everything ready, you're all set to begin the cleaning marathon. The kitchen, being the heart of the house, deserves your immediate attention. Let's start with the countertops. They are the workhorses of your kitchen, bearing the brunt of spills, crumbs, and all manner of culinary adventures. Start by removing everything from the surface. Now grab your trusty cleaning solution. A simple mix of vinegar and water often does the trick. Give the countertops a good wipe down. Don't forget the corners. Next, let's turn our attention to the sink. You might be surprised to learn that your kitchen sink can harbor more germs than your toilet seat. Yes, you heard that right. So let's not skimp on this step. Scrub it down with some baking soda and then rinse it thoroughly. For a shiny finish, you can wipe it down with a little bit of white vinegar. Now, onto the appliances. The microwave, the oven, the refrigerator. They all need your love and attention. For the microwave, a great tip is to heat a bowl of water with a slice of lemon in it. The steam will loosen any dried-on food and the lemon will leave it smelling fresh. For the oven and the refrigerator, remove any removable parts and soak them in warm soapy water. While they're soaking, wipe down the inside of the appliances. Don't forget about the floor. Sweep up any crumbs or debris and then give it a good mopping. For a quick drying solution, try a mix of vinegar and warm water. Lastly, let's tackle the cabinets. Dust the outside and then open them up to clean the inside. Remove items, wipe down shelves, and replace items neatly. Remember, a clutter-free kitchen is a happy kitchen. And there you have it. In just about 45 minutes, you've turned your kitchen from a cluttered mess into a sparkling oasis of cleanliness. With a little bit of elbow grease and some clever cleaning hacks, you've managed to deep clean your kitchen in no time at all. And voila, your kitchen now shines like a new pin. Next stop, the living room, where comfort meets cleanliness. This is the space where we relax, entertain, and let's face it, sometimes snack a little too much. So where do we start? First, we tackle the dust. It's the unseen invader of our comfort zone, lurking on shelves, tables, and that attractive knick-knack collection. A good dusting not only makes your space look fresh, but also helps keep allergies at bay. Next, we move to the floor. Whether you've got carpet, hardwood, or a mix of both, a good vacuuming is in order. It's like giving your floor a new lease on life. And don't forget those pesky corners. Finally, tidying up. Remove any clutter, Fluff those cushions and maybe even rearrange a little. Add a personal touch, like a favorite book on the coffee table. Remember, your living room is a reflection of you. You've now got a living room that's clean and inviting. Before we head to the bathroom, we've got a quick detour. If you're finding this cleaning journey helpful, why not let us know? Your feedback means the world to us, and it helps us create content that caters to your needs. So if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Got a cleaning tip or trick you swear by? Leave a comment and share your wisdom with our cleaning community. If you're new here and want more, hit subscribe to keep the clutter-free vibes going. And if you're looking for a comprehensive guide to decluttering, we've got just the thing for you. Grab your free copy of our Simplify Your Home ebook in the video description. It's a step-by-step guide to a clutter-free life. Remember, cleaning isn't a task, it's a journey. And journeys are always better when shared. So, let's declutter together. Now let's continue our cleaning spree and make that bathroom sparkle. Now let's venture into the bathroom, the sanctuary of cleanliness. This is where the magic happens, the magic of transformation from grime to gleam. Let's start with the shower. If you've been neglecting it, chances are it's home to a science experiment of soap scum and hard water stains. Fear not, a good scrub with a mixture of vinegar and dish soap can work wonders. Spray the mixture, let it sit for about 10 minutes, then scrub away. Remember to rinse thoroughly. Next we move on to the sink. The sink is a high-traffic area, and it tends to collect a lot of gunk. A quick wipe down with a microfiber cloth and your favorite all-purpose cleaner should do the trick. Don't forget to clean the faucet and handles, they deserve some love too. Now, for the throne of the house, the toilet. It might seem like a daunting task, but it's simpler than you think. All you need is some toilet cleaner and a good toilet brush. Pour the cleaner, let it sit for a bit, and then scrub. Make sure you get under the rim too. That's where the nasty stuff hides. While we're at it, let's debunk a common cleaning myth. Contrary to popular belief, using more cleaning product does not mean more cleanliness. In fact, too much product can leave residue, which attracts more dirt, so be moderate with your cleaning potions. Finally, don't forget about the bathroom floor. Sweep it to remove any loose debris and then mop with a floor cleaner suitable for your floor type. And voila! Your bathroom is now a sanctuary of sparkle and shine. Remember, the key to maintaining this shine is consistency. A quick wipe down every other day can save you from a strenuous deep clean down the line. With your bathroom now sparkling, you're almost done with the cleaning spree. Finally, it's time to give your bedrooms and hallways a quick makeover. Our journey through the house has led us to these often overlooked spaces where simplicity is the key. Let's start with the bedrooms. Clear any clutter from the nightstands, dressers, and other surfaces. Remember, the more items you have lying around, the more places dust has to hide. So let's evict those dust bunnies. Next, grab a microfiber cloth or duster and work your way from top to bottom. The ceiling fan, the tops of your wardrobes, picture frames, nothing is safe from our dusting spree. And don't forget those sneaky baseboards, they're dust magnets. Now let's deal with the bed. You might be tempted to skip this step, but a well-made bed can instantly transform your room. Plus, it's a nice reward after a long cleaning session. So fluff those pillows, straighten that duvet, and voila! Your bedroom is now a serene oasis. Moving on to the hallways. These are the arteries of your home connecting all other rooms. They deserve some TLC too. Start by picking up any items that don't belong there. Shoes, jackets, that random toy your child left lying around. Everything goes back to its rightful place. Once the hallway is clear, it's time to bring out the vacuum. Start at one end and work your way to the other, making sure to get into every nook and cranny. If your hallway has carpet, this is the perfect time to give it a deep clean. And there you have it. Your bedrooms and hallways are now as fresh as a daisy. All it took was some tidying, dusting, and vacuuming. Simple, right? Congratulations. You've successfully deep cleaned your house in just 45 minutes. Now take a moment to enjoy your clean, clutter-free home. You've earned it. So you see, deep cleaning your entire house in just 45 minutes is not a myth. It's a reality that we can all achieve with a little bit of planning, the right tools, and a dash of determination. We've explored how to prepare for the task, making sure everything is in order before we dive in. We've walked through the steps of starting in the kitchen, moving on to the living room, making the bathroom sparkle, and finally adding the finishing touches to the bedrooms and hallways. This isn't just about having a clean home, it's about creating a space where you can unwind, relax, and feel comfortable. It's about taking control of your environment and decluttering your life, one room at a time. It's about the satisfaction of a job well done, and the peace of mind that comes with a clean, organized living space. Remember, a clean house is a happy house, so why wait? Start your 45-minute cleaning challenge now. And before we wrap things up, a quick reminder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the SmartLife Solutions community. We're constantly sharing tips, tricks, and guides on how to simplify your life. And we'd love for you to be a part of it. Plus, subscribing ensures you never miss a new video. Also, we have a free Simplify Your Home ebook waiting for you in the video description. It's a comprehensive roadmap that will guide you through decluttering your home and turning chaos into calm, one room at a time. So what are you waiting for? Join us, and let's start this journey to a clutter-free, organized, and serene living space together. Remember, a clean house is a happy house. Let's turn that into a reality. Subscribe now, download your free ebook, and let's get started.